here from Createinspain. I'm going to go over two things today because these topics are very small ones and so might as well be fitted into one video. I'm going to tell you about the project info and also the simplify tool, just in case you haven't actually watched the basics video which covers the simplify tool. It's an important one. So I've drawn here a few hearts. I just got them out of the library, in the shapes library there. And for example, I might want to take the whole lot and weld them together. So I go to path and I go to union and we get this funny shape. Now, if I have traced something, I might get a really quite an involved shape and maybe it's got way too many nodes in it. So all you want to do is go to path and then simplify. Now in this particular case, you can see that the number of nodes on the left, the original, the input is 103. The output nodes on the other side, after it's been simplified, is down to 53. That is much better than that is. In most cases, it will not alter the shape of your design. If you find that it does, you can cancel. You can put this figure down. This is on the maximum. I nearly always leave it on the maximum, and it's very, very rare that I have to actually put it down. Occasionally, if I'm doing text, I might want to put it down. Text is a little bit different. But that will take out a lot of nodes in your design, and that means that your cutter will cut more smoothly. It won't be so jagged. You'll get a better result, and it'll be quicker. A win-win for everybody. So the last thing I want to do on this particular video is the project info. It's under window. I knew I'd seen it somewhere. Right, project info brings up a project information screen that you can write your notes in. So if you've got an involved project that involves using specific materials or specific fonts, etc., things that you really need to have to hand, you can put this in the project information box and keep it, and then it'll be attached to your project. And when you open it up the next time in Shortcuts a Lot, you'll have all the details that you need. Okay, that's it for today's video. I'll see you soon.